Nothing helps. I did all of that, and guess what? The bearings are shot. No amount of oil, no amount of greasing will help. These bearings are shot. That's where all the rattling is coming from. Those messed up China bearings. That's where all the rattling is coming from. Well, at least it works as long as it will. It probably won't last much longer because the bearings are bad. But that's typical of these Chinese fans. They're a piece of crap. They put cheap bearings that don't last long. And when they're shot, they're shot. Well, thanks for watching. God bless you and gone. There's nothing I can do about it.